Hey everyone! If you're trying to log into your Rockstar Games account and you see the message, "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time," don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to get you back in. Just follow each step carefully. Start by completely closing the Rockstar Games Launcher or the login page. Make sure it's fully closed before moving on. Now, disable any VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, turn it off before doing anything else. These services can sometimes interfere with account connections and often trigger authentication errors. Next, press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open Settings. When the Settings window opens, select Time and Language, then click Date and Time. Here's what you need to do. Make sure your time zone is set to the city or country where you actually live. Open the drop-down menu and choose your real location. Now, make sure to Set Time Automatically is turned on. After that, scroll down and tap Sync to ensure your device's date and time are fully updated. So remember, 3 important things: correct time zone, automatic time enabled, and internet time synchronized. Once that's done, try logging into your Rockstar account again and check if the issue is fixed. If you've done all of that but the error still appears, don't worry, there's another fix you can try. Now let's refresh your Rockstar Games account connection. Open your browser and go to the official Rockstar Games website. Sign in to your account. After signing in, click your profile icon in the top right. From there, select Account, then go to Settings. Find the section called Linked Accounts. Here you'll see any connected platforms like Xbox Network, Google, or other services. Unlink the account you see there, then relink it again. This refreshes the connection and can clear login errors. After relinking, try logging in again. You can even test it from your phone. If you've tried everything and the problem still isn't fixed, your last step is to contact Rockstar Support. Go to the Rockstar Games Launcher support page, scroll down, and select Submit a Request. Their support team is available 24/7 and can help resolve the issue. And that's it. After completing these steps, the error saying we are unable to handle your request at this time should be resolved. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips.